What effrontery! How dare you come here to utter such nonsense?
I'm sorry, my queen, but I didn't mean to offend you. And I did not make any of these up.
Oh, will you shut up? Just take a look at yourself. Look at yourself! Do you think any sensible person will want to have anything to do with a thing like you? I'm sure even the ego will be so disgusted to perch on a classless non-entity like you.
I'm very sorry, my queen. I did not mean to utter such words.
Hold it there. Your Majesty, do you know? Thank you for coming in such a short notice.
My queen, you shouldn't be thanking me. I am the Onowu of this kingdom and attending urgently to all the needs of the royal family. It's part of my duties.
Thank you.
Oh no, I must confess, you are indeed a nobleman.
Thank you very much, Onyeze. And your reign will continue to be great.
Ise. Well, on that note, I want to officially introduce the woman I have been grooming for my son. Her name is Cassie.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, Ono.
As you can see, Cassie is just a perfect woman for my son.
Yes, indeed. I think she is. We hope the gods bless her.
Yes, my king. Of course. The gods have blessed her already.
Well, you may leave us now.
All right, Cassie, shall we?
I don't know if I have your permission to say my mind.
Go ahead.
My queen, it is your right to know what I have concluded with Ono concerning the woman, or rather the lady you presented to us as wife to the prince.
Your Majesty, are we still discussing this? The prince is my son, and I know what is best for him. Cassie is just a perfect woman.
Well, nobody is disputing the fact that the Cassie who just left here now looks perfect. But we need to understand what we are talking about, mainly the man in question here. He's not just anybody. We are talking about the crown prince of this kingdom, and the marriage of the crown prince of this kingdom follows a particular tradition. And as people who are presently the custodians of our tradition, that particular tradition must be followed.
Followed?
Yes.
In what aspect, if I may ask?
Listen, any woman who is going to be wife to the crown prince of Omalani kingdom must first of all be blessed by the eagle of Ugoloma. Eagle of Ugoloma that represents the central deity of this kingdom must have to perch on this woman before she is qualified to be wife to the crown prince. And that brings me to the question I want to ask you before your husband. This Cassie that you are presenting to be wife to the crown prince, has she been blessed by the eagle of Ugoloma?
No. This can't be. This is not happening. This cannot happen.
What exactly, my queen?
Will you shut up? Now listen to me. I want you to tell me. Who else knows about this?
Nobody, my queen. I haven't mentioned this to anyone.
Very good. Now, on no account should you mention it to anyone.
But my
There
queen...
is no but. Do you want to question my authority? Do you want to question my authority?
No, my queen. I will do as you said, my queen.
Very good. Now leave. Get out! Imbecile.
Tamara. Where has this girl gone to? I've told her to stop going to the stream to fetch water. Especially in this modern age where there are boreholes everywhere. Yet she will not listen to me. What is wrong with her? How can she be going to the stream to fetch water in this modern age? Where are you coming from? Oh, yeah.
And I'm coming from the stream.
Exactly what I've been saying. Now tell me, who goes to the stream these days to fetch water, Kamara? I've told you to stop going there. Where there are boreholes scattered all over the places built by the local government for the community. Yet you will not listen.
Mama, why are you even talking like... Stop talking as if there's something wrong with me or that I'm doing something wrong. Am I doing anything wrong? Is stream not a source of good water, natural water? That's what I like to do. I like to fetch from the stream, not the borehole. Mama, stop talking as if there's something wrong with me. Now you keep complaining. What am I doing wrong? There's nothing wrong with me.
I've not said something is wrong with you. I know nothing is wrong with you. But tell me, in this modern age, who goes to the stream to fetch water? Eh? Tell me, who goes to the stream to fetch water where there are boreholes everywhere? Have you not thought of the danger of you going to the stream all alone? Especially this period that people no longer use that road. People no longer fetch water from the stream. What if you are raped by these hoodlums that are hovering all over the places?
God forbid. Mama, that can never happen. Nothing will happen to me. I've been going to this stream for years. Nothing has happened to me, Mama. I just love the water from the stream. At least this one I drink must come from the stream. It's what I love. It's what my body is used to. It's what my system likes. I cannot change it, Mama. Please, stop worrying over nothing. Nothing will happen to me. Please, Mama. Nobody's going to hurt me.
You will not kill me. Because I did not kill my own mother. Kamara, you will not kill me. You will not.
It's like it's indication. Now, wow. That's life for you. You know, some people are born poor. And no matter what they do, they will still remain poor, no matter what they do to overcome poverty.
The same.
Serious.
While some others are born wealthy, and no matter how reckless they live, they still die in wealth. True. And you know the funniest part is that these people don't even value what they have.
Very, very true. You know, that's why I've vowed, like I've taken it upon myself to alleviate poverty for my family.
Hi.
I'm telling you.
Elevate poverty.
Yes.
What do you intend to do?
Stay there. See, you know me, I have this very strong faith and belief, and my mindset is always positive, 100%, no doubt, nothing. You will see now.
See, Kamara, you're beginning to scare me with this. You're making money too. I hope you're not planning to do anything.
How can you even say that? You know what I can do and what I cannot do.
And what are you doing? Don't tell me you're going to the stream.
Of course, is there anything wrong with going to the stream? I'm going to the stream now.
Then what are you're beginning to scare me, oh.
Tell you how.
We have boreholes at 3 different places in this community, and you always allow us to fetch at will. Yet you prefer to go to the stream to get water.
It is my style. It is what I love to
do. It is what I like doing. Just leave me.
Aren't you even scared?
Scared of what?
What if something happens to you?
Nothing will happen to me. Has something ever happened to me before? Nothing is going to happen to me. In fact, if you're interested, let's go together.
Not me and you. Well, be careful. I don't know what you're going there to do. Take care of yourself,
Bye bye. I'll see you later. Hey, Stacy.
Hold it. Are you mad? Something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you?
Calm down, babe.
You think I'm here for child's play?
Please, calm down. I thought you'd forgiven me. Oh. Babe, it's over 2 years and you're still angry with me?
That is how easy it is for you to say. You took my man away from me and you think I will ever forgive you. Anyway, I'm not here for that. Where's my money?
Oh, your money. Please, I'll pay you. I'll get it for you. I'll raise it. I promise.
Wow. Wow. Another cock and bull story. From one story to another. You think I will listen to that? Just so you know, darling, I will never leave that money for you.
Stacy, what really happened? We used to be best of friends.
You must be very stupid to ask me such nonsense. Please, darling, get my money ready. Because when Nesta come here, nobody will like what I will do to you if my money is not ready.
What is it?
Stacy was here.
What did she come to do?
I don't know. I'm just confused.
You can't tell me that Stacy came here and left without saying anything.
Yes, but it's about Gusora.
What about Gusora? She wants him back?
Yes.
I have known Stacy for a very long time. And she cannot want Gusora back.
So I'm lying.
I can't really say. But I have known Stacy for a lot of things. And this is certainly not one of it. The Stacy I know cannot want Gusora back. Baby girl, tell me what is going on. I think you're lying to me.
I don't understand.
You're lying to me.
I'm not lying to you.
Oh.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Hey, babe. You're back. Welcome.
Thank you. I'm so tired.
I know, sorry. How's business? This one you're even back early.
Will I kill myself because of business? I got tired and decided to come home. Besides, I told you I want to visit the doctor because of this constant headache.
Oh, that's true. Good thing that you're back. At least you can make some food for us to eat.
Make some food for us to eat. What happened to the food I prepared before leaving this house? What? Sophia? Sophia, tell me you are joking.
Oh.
babe. Seriously.
Please, it was not intentional, I swear. I wanted to prepare something, but I got carried away by my phone and this movie that I'm watching. I didn't know that you were going to come on time.
You've not answered my question. What happened to the pot of soup?
My guy called that I was hungry, so I needed to do something fast. I took some food to him and his friend.
Wow. Bravo. Sophia, go to the kitchen and prepare something for me to eat.
Oh. That's my girl! Sweet babe. Hey, it's good to have you. Sophia! Yeah? Hey!
Please, I'm begging you, forgive me. Forgive me. In the name of God, please forgive me. I know what I did to you is unspeakable, but please forgive me. I am ready to change if you accept me back, please. I love you. You know that. I love you. Please forgive me. Please. I am ready to change. I promise. I swear to God, I'm ready to change. Please. Gosira.
I have told you to stop doing all these things you're doing for this guy. You love this guy more than he loves you.
Babe, he loves me and I know that.
Nobody is disputing that. But my dear friend, you have to watch it. You're falling cheap for this guy.
Please, leave me alone. My only problem is that he hasn't picked his call since last night.
Can you imagine? Because he has not picked your call since last night, you're already looking devastated.
Just leave me alone. Babe, all I know is that I love him.
All you know is that you love him. Babe, can't you see? You love this guy more than he loves you.
Are you wishing me bad?
Why on earth will I wish you bad?
I don't understand you. You're not even helping matter here.
Sorry, madam. It's okay. You just have to be careful before this guy starts playing with your feelings.
Madam, rest. Somebody is saying something important here and you are here saying another thing. Where is he?
Camera. Hello.
Banugo, how are you?
I'm fine.
This is your friend that does not greet somebody.
Yeah. I don't understand. Must I greet you? Why can't you just pass and go your way?
Stop saying that now.
No. Why won't I talk to her? Who is she?
Leave him now. He has mouth so he can talk. It's okay. No problem.
Why won't I talk? Yes, I have mouth. Why won't I talk to you? Who are you? I just don't understand. Why can't you just answer the person that greeted you and go? Mind your business. Why are you begging for my greeting?
I greeted both of you now. Anyway, it's no problem. It's okay. I said Ndewu. That's why I was just thinking. But it's fine. I'm used to it. It's even my fault. If I did not ask for this now, this will not happen. So please, let it end. Ibanigo, I'm going.
Okay.
My regards to your mother.
Okay.
No, don't go. Don't go.
No problem.
Don't go. Come and stand with water on your head.
It's okay now. What is your problem?
The way you do at times, baffles me. I just don't understand your behavior sometimes.
Wait. Were you expecting me to join you and insult a lady?
Who is a lady? Kamara is the one you are referring to as a lady. Something is really wrong with your head.
Now you know something they wrong with your head. How would you insult a lady like Amara? Have you seen anyone talking anything bad against her?
See, I just don't like the way she does her things. It's as simple as that. I just don't like it. She's too removed from the reality of the moment.
See, you still have not told me why you hated this girl so much. Because this is not the first time you are talking to her this way.
So if who cares whether I hate her or I like her? Who cares? See, the simple truth is she should try as much as possible to bring herself up to speed with the new millennium.
Oga millennium.
Yeah.
Let's go.
No. She should have come, stand back here and keep talking. If to say I know her, I would have dragged the conversation so that Jerica would not be very...
Like you're liking this, yeah?
My prince! My prince! My child, I am your mother. I can never deceive you. Please, try and listen to me.
Mom, I do not see why you are getting all worked up about this thing. I don't get it. I said I will do whatever tradition wants, and I am doing it.
I know, but...
But what, Mom? What is it? Can I not get some peace in this house? You brought the lady. You said get acquainted. I said, okay, I agreed. And I am doing just that. Let me have some peace. I'm trying. Am I not trying? I am.
I know, my son. I know. I just wanted to know what is going on between both of you.
Everything is going on fine. I like her for starters. Okay, I like her very much. If that makes you happy. Can I go now?
Oh, really? You do? You like her? Oh, I'm glad. I knew you would like her because she's a very pretty lady. Oh, that's good. That's good. Please, one more thing. Don't listen to side talks.
I'm not listening to any side talks. Can I go now?
Of course, my darling. You can go. You take care of yourself, eh? Oh, please don't forget you have a serious business at home, okay? Thank God. Exactly my points. You're not being fair to me.
Honey, I don't like it when you listen to side talks. Gossip will distract you, okay? Those are just speculations, those are assumptions. It's not me. I can't cheat on you. I'm a very busy person because of the nature of my work.
That's it. You always use work. Work! Not to have my time.
It's not true. I love you. I really do love you. I know my work is making me so busy traveling here and there, but that doesn't mean I don't love you. I promise. I'm doing all of this because of you, to make you happy. Yes.
So you think giving me billions will make me happy? I need you. I want you. I will spend more time with you.
Honey, I know. I want to be with you too. I'm doing all of this because of you. I'm busy my ass up night and day to make you happy. I'm trying to build a lot for the future. If I fail to build today, we are going to suffer tomorrow. Okay, I promise I'm going to make it up to you.
That's it. I've tried all the time. Be patient. Sophia, be patient. This is not fair on me.
I know it's not fair. But all I'm asking from you is to give me more time. All right, more time. Be patient with me. I promise everything will bounce well. Okay? Please.
again?
It's just a call.
Hey, baby, don't
Please.
go. Wait. Huh?
Hello. I messed up again. And what are you doing in my house?
Kosiora, can you do me a favor by allowing me inside?
No, I'm not going to do you such favor because I didn't invite you over to my place. So why are you here?
You will allow me into your place because you are a gentleman.
Kindly do me the favor to be brief with whatever you have come to say.
Kosiora, for how long are we going to continue like this? Have you forgotten the good memories we shared together? The love we shared? I know I hurt you. Please, I am very sorry. Please forgive me.
Stacy, personally, I don't hold anything against you. As a matter of fact, I'm comfortable and happy in my present relationship. I'm sorry to say this, but I'm glad we broke up.
Kosiora, why my friend? If it were to be someone else, I would have let go. Why did you have to go for my best friend? Do you know how much pain it cost me each time I remember that you're with my friend, my own friend?
The same way you should have thought about how much pain you cost me when you were busy sleeping around, Stacy.
So it has gotten to this.
Oh yes, it has gotten to everything since you have refused to leave my life alone. You know what? I want you to get out of my house.
Kosiora, you are asking me to leave your house.
Stacy, I said leave my house because I never invited you at first. So leave this place now, or do you want me to help you out?
Kosiora, you are asking me
Oh!
to leave your house.
You want me to help you out? You want to see the beast inside of me? Then I will help you do that. Stacy, leave my house! Come on, get out! What nonsense! When you were busy sleeping around, you think I wouldn't figure it out? And you're coming here to tell me to forgive you? Who does that? Nonsense! Let me see you again!
You look very well in this place. Very nice.
Very
located
good.
at a good site.
If you put your mansion here, company, whatever it is in a very good site.
Good site.
You know that. If you put your mansion or company or whatever it is you want to build here.
How now?
Greetings.
So as we were saying about the land, and the money we talked about, I don't know how. It's as if you are going to add something.
Sir. Yes.
Wait. Who is that girl?
Which girl, sir?
The one that just passed now.
Oh, you mean Kamara?
Is that her name?
Yes, that's her name. I hope there's no problem, sir.
No, not at all. She's beautiful.
Ha. Kamara.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Why are you acting that way? Is there anything wrong with her being beautiful?
No, sir. No. There's nothing. It's just that I am. We're surprised. We are surprised, sir. Yes.
You guys are droll. I mean, you're sounding so funny. Like you're beginning to get me scared. I mean, confused. Why are you guys reacting this way?
No, sir. There is nothing to be scared about here. just don't mind my brother. Actually, she's beautiful. She's very beautiful.
Well, I'm not going to mind him. It's just that I'm a little bit shocked. I'm surprised over his reaction towards her beauty. Anyways, let's get back to business.
Yes, sir.
That's the most important thing.
The most important. You need to come inside and see.
Come. That was what I was trying to show you at first. But you were not paying attention. Have you seen it? Have you seen it?
Seen what?
Have you seen why I hate that girl? She's always coming on my way each time I want to do something.
Wait, you confuse me. Which girl are you talking about?
Kamara, of course. Yeah. Kamara. Did you not see the way she just appeared out of nowhere and distracted our client?
I beg you. She did not even do anything.
What do you mean she did not even do anything? Did you not see the way he was looking at her?
That is because that girl is beautiful. And every man in his right senses would appreciate that beauty.
She's beautiful, Okoya.
Mm-hmm.
What I am trying to say is that very soon, that man will start going close to her. And before you know it, she'll start disclosing things to you.
Forget all these things you're disturbing yourself with. You should be happy that we'll make enough money from these sales. Besides, Kamara does not even know that the land in question does not belong to any of us. So how would she go then and disclose to the man something that she does not know?
It's like you don't know that girl. Kamara is something else. Bro, we better think of what to do right now. Make hay while the sun shines before she will disclose our secret to that man. I don't talk my own, no.
My brother, if I have to be sincere with you, no allow this hatred where you get for this girl take the better part of you.
Who's talking about hatred here? Who is talking about hatred? You see my problem with you? My problem with you is that you don't like taking things serious.
And that is because those people where they take things serious, where they drink Panadol for another man headache, they die quick.
When this thing casts, now your eye go clear.
Okay.
This veil where Kamara use cover your eye, it go clear that time when we no get shishi or shingbang from this deal. Rubbish, Kamara.
This thing where you don't use style, they run, no. At this like this now where they shout Kamara, now so you live a day. Kamara, you don't run.
I don't have to understand anything, my prince. I don't have to understand anything. Why are you doing this? My prince, you are treating me as though I am not a woman, and this is not fair.
What don't you understand? What don't you get? I'm not an ordinary guy. I'm the prince. And a crown prince at that. So I cannot break the traditions.
My prince, so who is going to tell everyone? Definitely not me.
Cassie, why are you acting as if you're not from this land? Why are you acting as if you don't know what happens here, that you are oblivious of our tradition? Why? Look, I want to do this as much as you do, but we need to be patient, okay?
You see all this? It's nonsense. All this tradition, rubbish.
No tradition of mine is rubbish. None. And don't try to break any, Because the consequences are real. Don't try it.
All the time, tradition this, tradition that. It's not fair.
I'm going. I'll see you later. Try and calm down, okay?
My prince, just like that? My prince, does this same tradition stop you from pecking a woman whom you are about to marry? It's not fair.
Okay. Look, I'm sorry, okay? There's nothing wrong with a peck, right? See you later.
What exactly is wrong with him? What must I do to get him to do what he has to do as a man? What?
I am not comfortable with her staying in the palace. It is against our tradition.
Father, I am not doing anything with her.
Of course, Your Majesty, nothing. I made sure of that. In fact, they are staying in separate rooms.
I am disappointed at you. How can you tell me that? You sound as if you don't know the tradition anymore. What will the elders do if they find out about this?
Well, I am sorry, Your Majesty. I never knew that there was anything wrong with her staying here.
You never knew. You talk as though you are a novice. Have you forgotten what happened before we got married? Have you forgotten that it is a taboo for the crown prince to get involved with any woman that is not blessed by the eagle of Ugoloma?
Father, please. We didn't mean any form of disrespect, please.
Son, you know exactly what to do.
Yes, and I will do exactly that.
And what exactly are you intending to do? What are you planning to do?
The lady must leave immediately.
My love, my love, my love, my love, my love.
What is it?
Oh, my love.
What?
My love, I saw it. Oh.
You saw what?
My love, I saw the eagle. It pitched on me.
It did?
Yes. Yes.
Don't. This is a serious matter. Don't tell me you're joking.
Ah.
This is good news.
Of course I am not joking. I know it's good news. It perched on me.
I need to tell my parents. For real. It's a little late. Maybe I'll tell them tomorrow. That should be the first thing I should tell them.
Okay.
So what does the eagle, what does it look like?
Ah.
What does it look like? What's the color?
It's like, it's a bird.
I am happy. So happy that finally you have seen the woman.
Thank you, Noble. I'm equally happy.
But I want to ask, because based on what I have gathered so far, this news came after your father instructed that the lady should leave the palace.
Yes, that's correct.
So are you not thinking that it is possible that this is part of the things the lady, has done to make sure she goes nowhere?
No, that's not possible, Father. It's not possible. Because if anybody would have told her, it would have been me. And I intended to tell her this morning. So as at yesterday, I still hadn't told her anything. So that is impossible.
What if someone else did?
Oh yes, who are you suspecting may have done this?
Oh no, we all know women. I tell you something. If a woman wants to get something, she goes to any length to make sure she gets it.
It's simple.
Father, what are you trying to say? Are you saying Mother planned all of this?
You don't need to misunderstand your father. But you should know women, especially mothers. They can go to any extent. They can do anything to make sure that their son will do exactly what they want, especially when they are convinced that it is the best thing for them.
No. Father, this is not possible. Mother cannot do this. I cannot see her going to such an extent. Now, I cannot believe your utterances. No, I cannot. I'm sorry.
Son.
I'm sorry, Father.
Oh no.
I can understand that.
Ọ na-abụ nwata fụ ọgụ egbolo egbo. Ọgụ a na-atụ ya. Mana ife onye amara akalele ya. Nke ahụ wee dịba. Ọ girigiri bụ ugwu eze mmadụ ka eji aka. Thank you for coming. Ọ ga-adịle gị mma.
Oh, yes, it is my duty. Part of my duties, as you know. I am happy doing it.
My son. Oh, thanks be to the gods. Thanks be to the gods. Have you seen it? The gods are not asleep.
Mother,
they knew it.
Hold it, Mom! Just hold it. Hold it.
What? I don't understand. Is there a problem?
Is there a problem? Mother, you went to the extent of lying to everyone just to make sure that I do what you want.
Me?
Yes, you.
Your mother? Lie? How?
Mother, is it not enough already that everything about my life has to be decided on by the gods? Is it not enough already that I follow everything that you and Father say? What else do you want from me? What do you want from me? The least you can do right now is not complicate things. Please. Please.
Son, you didn't say anything. What exactly do you think I did? Probably I may need to apologize.
Mother, I am disappointed in you. I am absolutely disappointed in you. You are my mother, the queen of this land. You and Father have taught me all these years, for as long as I can remember, the traditions of our land. How can you not know? How can you not know that lying is not part of our tradition? How can you not know that?
You haven't said anything yet. Tell me, what is it?
That's okay. If you're going to pretend as if you don't know what is happening or what you have done, that's fine. Just know I am disappointed. Thank you for deceiving me. Thank you. Well done.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I'm here to see the prince.
The prince? I think he's in a meeting with the king and queen.
Really? In that case, I have to wait for him. He's away. I'm coming.
All right, don't have problem. You can pack.
Thank you very much.
Is that all I meant to you? How could you look down on me to this level? What makes you think I will stoop as low as conspiring against you? Oh, yes, it's true. I wanted to get married to the right woman, but not to the extent of conspiring to get it done.
When the woman I married becomes desperate.
What? My husband? Don't tell me you're believing this nonsense.
I am not only believing, but I know it to be so.
Father, please, enough of this. We already have a huge problem at stake. The argument is only going to escalate it. Where is the solution? That's what we need to be talking about.
But why do I have to be dragged into a mess? Simply because I want the best for my son. My husband, this is not fair.
I think the one who is being unfair here is the one who wants to take decision about her son's destiny, even against the wishes of the gods, without knowing that the son suffers in future.
Your Majesty, I didn't do this. I never conspired with Cassie to do anything. I haven't even discussed anything with her as at the time she had the dream.
Very well then, I shall find out.
Son, why? You actually accused me, your mother? You lost your trust in me?
Mother, stop saying that. Don't say that, Mom. It's a matter of destiny here. I need to make sure I'm staying on track.
Really? You must ensure you are on track. By accusing me, your mother, wrongly? I brought you up, teaching you to obey the rules and tradition of this kingdom. If I did not have faith in it, I wouldn't have taught you to obey them. What makes you think I would turn around to break the same law I taught you to obey?
That makes sense, Mother. Mother, I'm sorry. I'm just messed up in my mind. I'm not even sure what to believe anymore. It's just so confusing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mom.
Prince, to be frank with you, you get mind. I mean, you actually told your mom all those things.
Yes, I did. And I have no regrets whatsoever. Is that not the road that leads to...
Aboluka Stream?
Yeah, correct.
Yes, why do you ask?
I'm asking because I see a lady going towards the stream, perhaps to fetch water. And I'm wondering, does anybody go to the stream to fetch water in this modern day?
My prince, if I should answer you correctly, no. Except Kamara, the strange girl. To the best of my knowledge, she remains the only girl who still goes to Aboluka Stream to fetch water.
What do you mean, strange girl?
My prince, she is the only one in this entire community who still insists in going to Aboluka Stream to fetch water. I mean, going to fetch the water is not even my problem. She has a way of doing things, strange things.
Okay, what do you mean strange things? I'm still trying to understand when you say strange. What does that mean?
My prince, to be honest with you, I don't know how to describe her to you. This girl believes so much in traditional ways of doing things. Don't quote me wrong. I understand that you believe the same way. Even me, right?
Right.
But she, in her own case, is a different ballgame. She does it differently.
Well, I mean, I see that as a plus. Yeah, I mean, it's
a plus.
Yes, because it's not easy nowadays to find women that got such great attitude towards tradition. You know what I mean? And I think that's a wow. I admire someone like that.
My prince, how can you possibly admire a thing like that?
Why not?
scared me.
I'm sorry that I did. I didn't mean to. Actually, my name is Gaziora and I'm from Mpo.
Oh, so that's why you scared me like that? Because your name is Gosiora and you're from Mpo.
Like I said, I'm sorry. I'm sorry now. Hey, I'm so sorry. Actually, you are the one I've been waiting for. Yes.
You've been waiting for me?
Yes, I've been waiting for you.
Do you know me before?
Actually, I've been seeing you around. And surprisingly, everybody seems to know you.
Everybody?
Yes.
Who knows me?
Are you not Kamara, the strange girl?
Really?
Yes.
Is that what people call me?
Kamara, the only girl that still goes to the stream to fetch water. The only girl that believes that Ugoloma River still remains the only best source of water.
Well, seems you know me quite well.
Yes. Who wouldn't want to know a beautiful girl like you around?
Indeed.
Oh, yes.
So you said you were waiting here for me. How did you know that I'll be passing here at this time?
Oh, this is your normal routine, and then I've been following you around, and actually the other day I came around to Puchezalan. Somewhere there, you passed by, you greeted me. Man, your beauty caught my attention.
Anyways, thank you, and nice to meet you.
Pleasure is all mine. If you don't mind, can I accompany you to where you're going to?
If you wish to, there's no problem. Who am I to say no to?
Oh, yes. Okay.
It has gotten to the extent of you saying such rubbish with the prince's name.
My sister, please help me tell her. I have been warning her to desist from saying such rubbish. She might just get herself killed.
Killed, kwa? Get killed, how? I cannot be killed now because I'm saying the truth.
Ezioku, truth teller. Okay, so you think for 1 minute that the prince will look your direction?
Ask her. With this your ancient pattern of lifestyle, you think the prince will leave all the noble women and settle for you? My dear, such things happen in folktale, not in reality. So you better wake up now.
Ugoloma will bear me witness that I'm not lying.
Shut up! Shut up! How dare you utter such abomination?
Maybe she wants Ugoloma to strike her dead.
Even my own friends do not believe me.
Kamara, the earlier you wake up from this, your dream, the better for you. Stop dreaming.
Look, Kamara, I know and I understand that you're so obsessed about wealth. Yes, perhaps it's because you want to make money and help your family out of a bad situation. It's okay, but I don't want you doing things that will get you into trouble that you won't be able to come out from. You want to go?
Yeah. The both of you are very sick.
Yeah?
I won't sit down here and listen to this nonsense.
Kamara, come back. She's going.
I know, she's going. She will go. Why won't she? Why we not believe in her? I'll go, Joe.
Wow. This is serious.